Welcome to another edition of the Next Advisory V-Letter, this time without Sarah.
Sarah, our intern from AUT, has left us, so it's just us two, back to normal broadcasting standards. But gee, we had a hell of a good time with her, and she learnt an absolute stack load from us, or so she says.
Yeah, she did say that, so it was refreshing to have her around. And of course, in that time, we buggered off to the GC.
We did, not just to get a tan and
some
enjoy
planning?
the sunshine, but we did some planning, some really, really good planning. We're big fans of setting strategy, having clarity in that direction about what we want and where we're going. So we do it ourselves.
Yeah, of course. So one thing that came out of that is we're going to host a planning day, execution and planning day, to set you up for the end of the financial year. It's clients and non-clients as well. So that's the 20th of November from 9 till 4. If you haven't seen that or want to come along to that, then get in touch. We also have been busy. We come straight back into it, and we're at the Ice House doing some work on behalf of the Chartered Accounting Institute to help them out.
Yeah, the Cairns Chartered Accountants paired up with the Ice House.
I've got some leftover beers from the Gold Coast. Sorry, mate.
You get into it. And we've put our hands up and said we'll go and sit in as part of the CA in Residence program that they have, helping start-up businesses that are posted up at the Ice House, just giving them a bit of advice to point them in the right direction on where to go.
Helping people is what it is all about, and the beers as well. The silly season is upon us. We want you guys to get a jump on the things that people can struggle with during that Christmas period, and that is, it is one of the hardest times to collect money in the 12-month period.
Cash flow, cash flow.
The 3 C's, cash flow, cash flow, cash flow. So get a jump on, can you collect some of the money that you may have had to try and get in December, January, February? Can you get it earlier? Can you change some terms around? Just be smart about it, because what happens on the 15th of January that everybody hates?
GST and Prov tax, and then 5 days later, if you've got staff, PAYE.
It is very,
Ouch.
very hurtful time of outgoing for people. And of course, we will advise all of you guys in December what your payment is going to be required. We'll try and do that even earlier. Lastly, thank you for all of the feedback for the first V-Letter. It went down an absolute treat, so we'll keep firing them out. And if you have any suggestions as such,
Yeah, feel free to get in touch, lnp@nextAdvisory.nz. But if you'd like to see us in person rather than via camera, feel free to jump on our website and book online direct in our calendars. We'd love to catch up.
hopefully you guys are having a great year so far. We're halfway through the financial year, 6 months to go. Stay tuned.